At School of Motion, we give you the tools, knowledge, and network to achieve your motion design goals, no matter what stage you're at in your career. We pull out all the stops to make our lessons as fun and informative as possible, going to insane lengths to make sure material is presented in the right order, with the right real-world examples, and with the right support. When you sign up for a School of Motion course, you're signing up for more than just access to content. You also get individualized feedback. Each student is assigned a teaching assistant who ensures you get all the technical or creative support you need. You never learn alone. In each course, you'll go through the curriculum with a group of students from all over the world. You'll be challenged, motivated, and make a ton of new friends along the way. Our curriculum includes projects based on real-world briefs. This gives you the opportunity to see and learn what it's like to create client work, and provides you a chance to beef up your portfolio with a polished piece developed with help from your teaching assistant and fellow students. When you're finished with your course, you become a School of Motion alum and immediately gain access to our huge and growing alumni network. We'll use our industry contacts to help you find your path into the motion design industry. Along the way, we'll help you navigate not just the creative side, but also the business side of motion design. And the coolest part, it actually works.
Quite frankly, if School of Motion was around whenever I was getting my degree, I would be a lot less in debt and much more knowledgeable.
After getting the fundamentals in animation bootcamp, I got hooked, so I've taken 4 courses already.
Before starting my first School of Motion class, I had no idea how motion design even worked.
I think the 3D-based courses have been my absolute favorite so far. I was always doing random YouTube tutorials and it just didn't get me very far. But now I get to work with Cinema 4D on a daily basis.
So far, School of Motion never failed me into empowering me to get to the results I wanted.
I love School of Motion. It shows you a lot more clarity in how you can approach the very process-oriented aspects of motion design and designing for motion.
Now, since starting School of Motion, I've just grown in my creativity. My reel has improved. I've started being able to take on more exciting jobs and just do the kind of work that I'd always dreamt of doing.
The fact that you get feedback on your work is just so important. That means that you get customized learning.
Through School of Motion courses, I was able to get my first job, which led to my first internship.
Because if you are 100% committed to the course, you will get incredible results.
It's literally helped my dream come true.